Yo, what is the deal? This is your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And today we gonna be talking about how to get the perfect vocal recording, man. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing on this channel. Click them links down in the description too, because I be having special things down there for you guys, then boy. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so back in the day when I used to go to school for this audio thing, right, I used to have this professor that used to always say, good artist plus good room plus good mic equals good recording. And she was very accurate with that. I'm gonna keep it real with you, yo. Because every time I've tested in the net form, I got the good results. You know what I'm saying? So I came up with a formula, you know what I'm saying, through my research and studies. I came up with a formula for y'all to help y'all out. And now it starts with the player or the artist. Now the artist plays 50% of the overall sound, sometimes a little bit more. In other words, you gotta be pretty good. Next is the room. The room is this is your booth or where you have the mic set up at. This plays about 20% of the overall sound, you know what I'm saying? Even on close mic instruments, the room is gravely responsible for the final sound that many engineers tend to even realize. Another thing that plays a major factor is the mic position or the mic placement. This plays 20% of the overall sound. Now this is where I like to stress how important it is to use your ears. Now me personally, when I'm in a recording session, before I even hit record, dog, I'm checking where the voice is reading on the meters and adjusting accordingly. You know what I'm saying? I'm also listening to how their instrument, i.e. their voice, sounds in that space. Now, depending on how it sounds to me, I'll move the mic in other areas in the space, sometimes even in another room. Now, this plays a pretty big part in how it's going to sound and blend with the rest of the track. Now, the mic choice, that's about 10% of the overall sound. It's a bit small, but it's still important because it takes the sound, the good sound rather, and captures it. I feel the mic choice is very important. In fact, let's put it like this. All sounds have different frequency ranges. So all mics have different frequency responses. Now, all of those things are important, right? But I really want to stress mic placement, man. You know what I'm saying? I mentioned earlier about using your ears and where you place the vocalist plays a major part in how the ending result is gonna sound. I want you to do this before you hit record. Check the sound of the room first. This sound crazy what I'm about to say, but when I'm recording in a new space, I'll literally walk around the room and clap my hands and checking for a spot that has a nice even reverb decay. And if you're hearing a ringing overtone when you're doing this little test, don't put the mic right there. I'm trying to tell you. Another thing that helps out a lot too that people don't even really realize, having things in the room like a sofa, a bed, if not acoustic panels, things like wall art and decoration, stuff on the walls and stuff like that helps a great deal when you're trying to record in the space. Because when you're going around doing that test clap, you can really find a good spot. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you can, try to find the room with the highest ceiling. The higher the ceiling, the better. Another thing that I want to stress that I see a lot, do not do this. Do not put the mic in the corner. The corners are where all the bass frequencies hang out at. Another tip, don't get too close to the wall reflections or the absorption panels if the wall is treated. That can change the tone of the instrument, you know what I'm saying? Now, if you want to do that, then, you know, by all means, do your thing. You know what I'm saying? The same as the corner situation. If you find it better to record in the corner, you get a you know, better sound for what you're trying to do, then yeah, do it. But generally, no. Back that mic away from that stuff. Another thing that's really important to not do not put the mic by any windows or anything like that. I mean, not only are you gonna pick up the sounds from outside, but the same reason why you wanna keep the mic away from walls, that's the same reason why you wanna keep it away from glass. It's gonna simply reflect off of it and go right back into the microphone. Pick that up. And it's not gonna sound good. You're gonna hate yourself. Another thing to remember, if you just so happen to be recording in a space that doesn't have carpet, you know, you have hard floor, try putting a rug under the mic stand or under the vocalist. You know what I'm saying? That'll help a great deal with the reflections and everything. All right, so follow these tips right here, and I bet you can get a fire vocal recording, boy. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. I hope this video helped y'all, man. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Peace.